Well, hello guys, I'm Matinder and this is my brother Sitmur. Welcome to my channel and today we are going to learn how to set up Google Analytics on your website and how to see the active users and the total event count on your website. So let's get started. Uh, so firstly, what you got to do, get us starting. So we go to create and we create a new property. Uh, so we do the setup. We basically name a property. So in my case, it will be and you can change it regions or something as per if you want. And when region बोलिए अभी. You basically fill in your basic details. And my friend Pahol is calling me. हाँ bro. हाँ जी. Uh, वो बोल रहा है कि डिवाइड करके करो. वही. मीटिंग का कुछ नहीं बोला इसमें. बोला कि मैं एक और यूट्यूब वीडियो डालता हूँ. बोला कि मैं एक और यूट्यूब वीडियो डालता हूँ. ओके. बाय पावल. सो या we basically select the platform that your website or your app is working on the analytics where you want to get your data. So in my case it's a website. So we enter the URL of the website that you have deployed. Again, your website needs to be deployed before you can set up the stream and the analytics. So in my case, it's gonna be. Let me just get the URL. Uh, yeah, this is the one that I'm building. This is the one I'm working on. So I've actually completed the work on the website. So uh, yeah, it turned out pretty fine. Yeah, so you paste your URL, then you just name the thing. You can either give it the same name as your website, or if you want something else that can help you tracking it easily. So in my case, I'll just name it Suknoor. And wait, yeah, sorry, yeah, my bad. So the prefix is already there, so you need to remove the HTTPS. Yeah, so we create and continue, and shortly, yeah. So right now you've just created the website, but the stream and the analytics things is not working. See, you just got the thing because the tags which need to be installed have not been put in your website's code. That's the thing which basically gets allows Google to fetch the data from your website. So now we are gonna do that. So for that, actually you can just click on view tag instructions, and it's easy for you. Google has basically explained everything very easily. So we are not building with a website builder. We are doing it manually, which is way easier to do so. So uh, you basically put this thing in the head tags in your global CSS in the website. So we copy this and That's the thing. Wait, wait. Let me just my code. Get my code. So yeah, we go to our website. We go to our code. We basically paste this thing here in our layout TSX. Then actually you can just paste it in any of the the global pages that you're working on. So yeah, it can either be like the layout TSX or the page TSX. Cathalia. Yeah. Then you save it and you deploy your website and yeah, that's pretty much it. While my website is building, while it's getting deployed, so it will take like a minute or two. Then after that's done, you just have to test your website, where Google basically reads that it has been the tag has been implemented. So in my case, अभी तक वो हुआ नहीं है. So we can't see that. But once that's done, I'll just show you one of my other tags, my previous things that I've been building. So yeah, this is the other thing that I built. So you can see that I'm getting the event count and the user count and the country data, last users and the last active users in the last 30 minutes, all of that information which I want. And then I also can set up the thing for like multiple websites. So this you can see that this was the website that we just created. Then these are the three other analytics that we have set up. So it's really simple and basic that way. If you want to do, it's really simple. But if you got any questions or you any doubts or comments, RIP Sidhu Moosewala. It's a video of him, so I'm sorry.